What is up? So today I'm headed to Kimchipapi in Allston to try their Korean corn dog. I'm going to be grabbing the corn dog with the cheese and also the potato corn dog. So let's go. Check it out. So these are the Korean corn dogs. This one is the potato corn dog, and this is the corn dog with half beef and half mozzarella. Both are coated with sugar, ketchup, and mustard, but this one has fries. Check it out. Check it out. So this is the corn dog with the fries and sugar. I'll just take a bite. That's an interesting combination there. Saltiness from the fries and the hot dog goes perfect with the sugar and the panko breading. Check it out. Good, interesting. Check it out. I'm gonna pull it. Ooh, look at that bad boy. Ooh. Oh, I see it. There's the mozzarella, the corn dog. So just here. Wow, it's like a mozzarella stick with sugar, nice and flaky. I think it might have like panko breading. Look at the corn dog, really good corn dog. But the mozzarella is a good quality mozzarella, nice and thick, cheesy. So that is a wrap for this video. Kimchipapi is definitely different. They're the only ones I currently know that are doing Korean corn dog. The beef and mozzarella one was really good. The potato fries look pretty, but a bit dry for me, but still worth a try. So if you're in Allston, give them a try. I'll see you guys next time.